Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And if you haven't done so, click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. And today's video, it's Halloween collaboration week number 5. Yes, week number 5. I can't believe it. It went so fast. I had so much fun collaborating with Mandie at Mandie's Place. And we are a list of crafty ladies who were posting videos every Saturday, Halloween themed crafts, and all the list of the crafty ladies are in the description box below, so go ahead and check them out and show them some love. And in this last week, I am going to show you what I made and what I'm giving, and also we're going to review all the projects that I have put together in all these weeks. Okay, so let's start with the pocket letter. So last night I said to myself, I haven't done a pocket letter in a while, so why don't just put something together, Halloween theme. So this is like my first Halloween theme pocket letter. I just want to put something a little bit different. You know, I just use some of the stickers and use the collection again from Pink Paisley and combined it with other collections as well. So what I did was I cut these squares, and let's look at the first one. So here I put a B, O, and O for boo, and a spider. This is a sticker that I had from my mind's eye from previous year's collections. More stickers here, and down here another 3D sticker with a purple pumpkin, the O, and Too Spooky to Spook, another 3D sticker, some of the ephemera from Pebbles collection, jammies everywhere, just to make this pocket letter a little bit more cohesive. Another 3D sticker, an O, and a spider. So over here I glue some washi tape. I got this washi tape from Target last year. Isn't that cute? It's like a pumpkin. And I wrapped some ribbon. Why I didn't cut the ribbon? Because I want my partner to use this ribbon to repurpose it. So it's green, the baker's twine, and some pom-pom ribbon that goes along with the colors. Then on the back, what I'm giving her, 3D stickers, foamies from Walmart, more ephemera from Pebbles, black jammies, some of planner stickers, another ribbon, more taggies, some chipboard from Target, and some googly eyes also from Target. So this is my pocket letter, and I'm planning just to wrap it around with tissue paper. And the other thing that I'm just giving, we were required to purchase something and include, well, I have like a little things, you know, for my partner. So got this nice clothespin with a witchy hat. This is from Target, and inside this bag I got this. I bought this at Joann's Fabric last month, and it's a to transfer, so you can just like lay this on fabric and iron it, and it's like a iron applique. Isn't that cute? They're like skulls, and look at all the motifs and the jammies. And in one of my crafty hauls that I went to Tuesday morning, I got 2 of these spiders. So guess what? I'm sharing one for my partner. I hope she like it. And then got some avocado mask, Korean, from Botanic Farm. So like a mask sheet. Another little piece from Target, and just giving her these Tim Holtz little skulls so she can repurpose it or use it on any of her Happy Mail. And then just giving her a little baggie. I was planning to put inside the baggie these, get this other one, skulls, and so these are the goodies that I'm giving her. And I'm forgetting. So besides that, I am also giving her some little makeup sample from Morphe. It's a high impact highlighter so she can shine. And so these are my tiny little gifts to my swapping partner on this Halloween collaboration. And let's review what I put together in the other weeks. I was thinking, oh, I should probably include candy, but I'm like, you know, candy's everywhere, right? So week number 1, I did this treat box from a recycled box. Week number 2, I put together these clipboard and an envelope with some ephemera with earrings. Week number 3, I put together these eclectic envelope slash baggy tag flip. And week number 4, that was last week, put together these flip book and glitter and Halloween sequins mix. So these are all the goodies that she's gonna get, and I just have lots of fun. So again, just go ahead and check the description box below, the list of all the crafty ladies. You just have to go and watch their videos. They are so talented. They just come up with nice ideas on how to do Halloween crafts, tutorials, project shares. So just go ahead and check them out, watch their videos, show them some love, you know, do the thumbs up on their videos. We all really appreciate when you give us the thumbs up and you make a comment on our videos. That means a lot to us. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. And thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.